How to go live on Twitch on PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily go live on your Twitch using your PC. First thing, simply head over to twitch.com, and once you're inside your twitch.com, simply click on, make sure you're signed in with your account and click on your profile section at the right, and from over here simply head over to settings, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can see inside settings you will see the stream option. Simply click on it and make sure you copy the primary stream key which we will be using in the later on the OBS software, which is a video streaming software. Right here you can also see that, and just make sure you copy it, and from over here what you can do is simply click on the stream manager, and once you set up everything over here, just head over to your OBS and make sure you click on the start streaming option, and from there you can easily stream your video. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.